What time is it?
Don't care, it's snoring.
Oh.
Oh, not again.
Oh, I'm tired, leave me alone.
Do you have to snore though?
I'm tired though. Oh. I hope I get a new head today. I tell you now, I feel like I feel so unwashed, man.
I hope I get my vibe in because I feel blue and
Oh, bless you. Oh.
I think the last time she entered me was about 2 months ago.
Oh man, don't get me started. The last time my head was changed was like, I know, 2 weeks ago. Oh, I already feel, oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh God, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Right on cue. Right on cue. Oh my God. Someone's coming towards the cupboard. Did you hear it?
I'm going back to sleep.
No, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh my God. I'm gonna be used. I'm gonna be used. I am gonna be used. Just look at you lying there, asleep. Oh. Oh. My God. My God. Yeah, she's getting me out. She's getting me out. She's getting me out. Yes. 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 Oh, yes.
I'm missing spots.
No.
What's the spot?
No. I haven't.
Yeah, you did behind you. Here's another spot. I think you were right. I think you need a new head.
Well, I'll tell you what. If you think you can do better, why don't you just get out of there and be effective for once? Oh wait, you can't, can you? Because you need to plug it in. Oh, bless you. Oh,
I do the majority of this part.
oh, you can't be effective, can you? Oh, not like me.
I'm going to round you in a minute.
Oh, no. Go on then. Can't do anything, just standing there.
Oh, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to work. I have to laze around all day until I get used.
Okay. Do you think you've come to a natural conclusion?
It's hard to continue these. No,
What are you finding it hard? What are you finding hard about it, Will?
I don't know, just, I've done my work and where do we go from there, you know?
Okay. I think what you need to do is to not worry about the fact that you're a mop. Think of yourself as a human being. Because that will give you more ideas about how to develop the story. I think you're getting too bogged down with your object rather than thinking about it as just a natural scenario between two people.
Mm.